Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Life 1.0 TSI with 110 horsepower. This sleek white estate comes fully loaded with all the features you could ever dream of. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. Not to mention the luxurious interior trim and security features like ABS and multiple airbags for peace of mind on the road. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss out on this high-tech stylish ride. Contact us at laharts.ie for more information today.